Okay, so Tess's pre-order group. If you have not joined, you're snoozing. So our goods just arrived. You can see what we have in here. See them. These are air fryer blenders. See the carton there, carton here, carton. All this carton just came in. So let's unbox and see what we have here. So if you want to join our pre-order group, it's heavy. Send me. Click the link in bio. Click the link in bio to join. Okay. To take you to my WhatsApp directly, so you can message me and I will add you to the group. Even if you are a pre-order vendor, you can join us to beat MOQ together. Okay, so if you're a first timer, you want to learn how to import anything, just send me a DM to join our pre-order. Let's buy together to beat MOQ. You know, when you buy together like that, you get to get a discount from supplier. The more you buy, the lesser you pay. Okay, so can we see? Let's see. So let's start. This should be okay. This is a school bag. This is, I think, five in one school bag. Yeah, 5 in 1. Okay, 5 in 1 school bag. So let's open this. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, wow. So this is a towel. Wow, this is my shipping company. They're just the best. So this carton, this towel is inside the carton. So they folded the carton because I asked them to help me to consolidate them. Can you see? So this is another towel. So this is also towel. Okay, where should I start from? Okay. Unboxing the sweet. Okay, so our toothpaste. These are toothpaste. Can you see it? Bamboo toothpaste. It's not expensive. Now you never know legit pre-order vendor. Can you see? So we have toothpaste. We have, what do we have in here? Okay, this is water bottle. This is water bottle. So this is the, you put it around there. This is the straw. The straw is inside as well. Wow, it's so beautiful. So okay, so let's, what, I think this is water bottle as well. Yeah, it's so big. Wow. So those that are this thing, they are also here. You gum it at the body. Can you see? This water bottle. This water bottle. Okay. This is heavy. What's there? It's very heavy. I think this is diffuser. Oh, okay. Our spoon, no. The spoon is heavy like this. The quality must be. It's very heavy, guys. Let me remove one and see. Wow. You need to buy this spoon. This spoon is, my God, it's very strong and heavy. Like very, very heavy. See. You still have more here. Can you see them? Can you see? Can you see this? All these are spoons. Can you see our spoon? See our spoon. Join us. Join our product group. You buy quality things, like 100% quality. See them. See, very, very heavy. Very heavy, very, very heavy. Let me put this one down first. Okay, so let's open this two and see what we have here. Oh, air freshener. See our air freshener. It smells nice. Like nice, guys. I think we have 3 boxes of this. So this is one. See them. See. Can you see? They smell so nice. Good. You need to join us. Join us. Join us. Buy. Come and pre-order with us. Oh, pre-order with us. Okay, this should be grinder. This grinder I can grind. Pa. Hey, let me remove it so you can see it. Anything dry like this, it will grind it to powder for you. See it. See it. It will grind it to powder for you. It has extra blade. Can you see? Can you see? So send me a DM to join our group. Oh, if you have not joined, you are sleeping on a long thing. Okay, so let's open this as well. What is this? Oh, water bottle. I didn't even know I added this to the package. So it's like this. Oh, I'll figure this one out later. So can you see? It's this another one inside. It's for kids. Okay. So this is another one. This is a review. Okay, this should be diffuser. So this one, I think one or two broke when supplier was the courier service that took it to shipping company. So they snapped one, they snapped it and sent to me. Though I've collected my refund from the supplier for that, just that one that broke. Oh, supplier has given me my money back. Can you see? See the stick inside. See all of them here. So these things, if you have not gotten these things, the best place for you to be is Texas Import Preorder Group. Texas Import Preorder Group. Can you see? So this belongs to one person, just one person. Wait, how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I still get extra 5 for them. So let's open this as well. So these are another air freshener. I'm not feeling this one smell yet too. Maybe let me check another one. This one smells nice. Maybe it's my nose. I have. Okay, so these are another one. Can you see them inside? Can you see? Take. So we have another one here. Let's open. Let's open. Another air freshener. Oh, they smell nice. Can you see? Just like air freshener is many here. Can you see? If you have not joined us, what are you waiting for? This also belongs to someone. Okay. So what do we have in here? Let's open. Oh. Skipping rope. Exercise. Skipping rope for my kids. So they need to exercise. They will not just be at home for holiday period. Just like that. They need to do exercise. Okay. Other cups. See the beautiful cup. See them. We have 4 here. See them. See them. See them. Can you see? The body rubber, that thing that they tie at the body, they wear at the body is inside. Okay, see the pink. This supplier gave me black. Oh, everything is black, and they put pink at the body. This one too is black. Okay, it's not black. It's because of the. No, it's like this. Come and buy you. Come and buy. Come and join us. Join us. Join us. I don't understand this. Our silicone set. Okay, let's open. We still have other ones in this carton here. So it's not just this one. It's not only this one. So can you see? Can you see? Can you see? See now. Yeah. Okay, so the quality I got is very good. I made sure I got the best gram. Okay, so can you see? We still have other ones inside those. This is another carton here, though. Okay, this is our luxury 3-in-1 tray. Can you see? This is our tray. One, can you see them? Can you see? We still have more inside. Can you see them? Can you see? Let me open one for you so you can see the way what it looks like. So if you have not joined us, my darling, what are you waiting for? See now. By the time we set it finish here, look at it. Look at the way it is. Can you see? So we have white, we have black. With all these things I'm opening, we have extra. So anyone you want, just send me a DM so you can get the extra. First come, first serve. Okay? First come, first serve. If you come early, you get the extra. Okay? So so these are the remaining silicone spoon sets. Can you see? See it? We still have in here all these cartons. This is what we have inside. Silicone spoon sets. Now, I've showed you one before. I've removed one, so I'm not going to open this one. See it? I'm not going to open it. Can you see? So we have extra for this silicone set too. This spoon set. If you want, please send me a DM to get yours. Okay. Okay. So this is our pot. Okay. See our pot. Let me bring one. Yeah. See our pot. This is 10-in-1. See our pot. This is granite, original granite pot. Oh. Not anyhow pots. See now. See. We have extra too. We still have extra. So if you want, send me a DM. This pot is sold for nothing less than one. That's the minimum of 145,000 naira in Nigeria here. You see vendor selling for 170, 180 like that. So send us a DM. See they are here. This is the pan. This is the pan. Can you see? This is the pan. See, see the biggest one. See now. If you have this one, party food don sure. No need to go and borrow pot again, no. Okay, so send us a DM to get this. In this pot, I will have only one extra, only one. So rush to come and get it at affordable price now. Okay, so I'm not going to open this already. You know, I've been opening boxes of air fryers, blenders. So this, like this, everything that is here is a blender and air fryer. Okay, this one too that is here, like this second carton, is also pot. Everything that is inside one, this one is pot. So okay, let's open this one too. So what we have here is breakfast machine. Can you see? Breakfast machine. Can you see it? So I don't want to open it, they are not for me. But can you see? Breakfast machine. So can you see? This one, there's no extra. So everything I've opened, both blender, both air fryer, pots, every other thing I've opened. If you want the extra, send me a DM to get it at affordable price. And if you want to join our Preorder group, send me a DM or click the link in bio to send me a DM or send me my chat me on my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Okay, join the winning team. Bye. Hong Kong.